Hi everyone, this is Rehana from typingtofreedom.com and welcome to this very new video about Wealthy Affiliates Black Friday special. This is actually the first time that I'm appearing on video, so I might be stammering and stuttering because I'm really not used to this, but I just wanted to be on video today to prove to you that I am a real person, right? I am a real person behind my written reviews, I am a real person behind my video reviews, and I am a real person behind the website, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with this Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday special video. So if you're new and you don't know what Wealthy Affiliate is, then let me tell you that it is the best affiliate marketing training platform on the planet, okay? It's going to teach you, a beginner, how to make money online from scratch. And all these are white hat techniques, okay? These are techniques that are evergreen and they're always going to work. And even if they do change, hey, well, the affiliate updates the stuff very regularly. So, that's one of the reasons why I think you should check it out. And another great fact about Wealthy Affiliate is that it is a 13-year-old platform, which means that it has stood the test of time. In other words, it is not a scam, because typically scams, they don't last past a year or two, because us reviewers, we're going to pounce on them and really show you their true colors, right? Before getting into the sale that Wealthy Affiliate is having this month in November 2018, what I'm going to discuss here is what you need to become successful online. So you need three things: training, tools, and support. Let's just go ahead and take an example. Well, two examples actually, right? So I have the carpenter here, or construction worker, if you will, and I have the taxi driver, okay? So the construction guy or carpenter guy, he needed to go through some training to be able to do his job, right? Like, he just didn't become a carpenter. He wasn't born with a hammer in his hand, right? So he needed to go through some training, become certified to be able to do his job. He needs the tools, right? His hammer, his wrench, and whatever else that he needs to do his job. And while he was learning the trade, he probably also had some support, from his friends in the same program as him, or even from his instructors. He probably even had help from, professionals who had internships, right? With whom he had internships, to help him out, right? Help him avoid the big mistakes and help him do his job in a better way. So as you can see, he needed training, tools, and support in order to become proficient at his job. The next guy here we have is a taxi driver, and he's just the exact same. He needs to be trained in order to become a certified driver. He needs a license to be able to drive a car in the first place, right? So he needs an instructor to be able to do that. He needs to training, he needs to practice. He needs his tool to be able to do his job, and the tool here is his car, because without his car, he can't really get anywhere, right? He can't pick up his passengers, he can't drop them off anywhere. This is his tool. And then he also probably had support, right, from his instructor, from family members, maybe giving him tips, family members who already have licenses, giving him tips about driving, how to become a safer driver, and all of that. So that's what they have in common, okay? They have the training, they have the tools needed to do the job, and they had the support that they needed while they were learning the trade. So this is why it's so important as well. These are important for you to become successful online. Without the training, you won't know how to navigate the online world. You won't know what to do. How will you even become successful, right? You need the right tools to be successful online. Because let's take the example of this carpenter or the construction worker, right? I mean, will he be able to do his job if, you handed him a car? No, he wouldn't. He'd be able to get to work, but he wouldn't be able to, pick up the car and start hitting a nail, right, to assemble, let's say, furniture, right? Without the proper tool, he can't do his job. And what about the taxi driver, right? Take away his car and give him a hammer, how is he even going to transport people with that, right? From destination, from pickup location to destination, right? They need the proper tools for their job. That's why you also need the proper tools to do your job online, right? The third thing that you really need is support, because as a newbie learning something new, you need to know you're going in the right direction. You need, to get help whenever something glitches up. You need, you need someone who's there to answer your questions, right? Or to tell you when you've made a mistake, because it's going to happen, guys. We're not all perfect. We're going to make mistakes when we're learning something new. If we don't make mistakes, it means that we're not getting any better, right? So you're going to need all three of these in online business. These are so simple, right? But why are you not told about them? Well, that's because scammers, they focus on telling you this, right? They show you this. They show you the big numbers in the bank accounts. They show you the luxury cars. They show you the big mansions, right? That's what they show you. And yes, you can get to this, right? But what they don't show you is this. This is what's really happening with the scam programs, right? They're hiding behind a veil, and they're just waiting for you to get past the veil. And getting past the veil here means, paying your entrance fee to get to the system, the autopilot system, if you will, that they want to, that they want you, for the reason that they want your money, right? That's why they want your money. That's their way of making money, scamming you. They don't tell you about all the work that's required. They don't tell you about the training. They don't tell you about the support that you need. They don't tell you that you're going to make mistakes. All they tell you is that you can just press a button and money's going to start rolling in. It doesn't work that way, guys. And why do you keep falling for them? Do you know why? That's because you don't want to do the work. It's as simple as that, right? They tell you that you can live, this lifestyle with just a push of a button, with no work required, with 10 minutes of work every day, with 30 minutes of work, and you're making, $1,000 a day. That's just not possible, right? You need to do the work in order for you to see any success at all, right? These evil people, I'm just looking at my notes here. So, it's my first video, guys, so cut me some slack. But yeah, these are evil people that are just going to take advantage of your weakness, that you don't want to do any work and still want all that. They're going to show you what you want to see in the videos. They're going to tell you what you want to hear. That's just a way to manipulate you and to get to your money, all because you don't want to do the work. It's so easy for them to get you into their trap. But if it was so easy to make money, why are so many people failing? Why are you failing? Right? That's because you get caught up in these lies over and over and over again. You just want to hope and believe that what they're telling you is the truth, right? When you already know that it doesn't work that way, right? That's why you keep falling for scam after scam and you keep losing money over and over again, right? It's just because you want to bypass the work. You don't want to do anything. You just want to click a button and have the money come in. Well, these systems, they don't exist, okay? You need to do work in order for you to see any success. And that works for everything in life, right? If I told you that you could sleep through the years of medical school and still graduate with a certificate in brain surgery, would you believe me? No, right? Would you believe me if I told you there's a shortcut to becoming a lawyer in 1 month after you graduate high school, a full-fledged lawyer? No, right? Would you believe me if I told you that you could own your own Walmart franchise at $47 one-time fee? No, you wouldn't believe me. So why do you keep believing these scammers when they tell you that you can bypass the work and make full-time income online and quit your job and fire your boss? These are just lies, right? I know. It would have been so much easier if it worked that way, but it does not. Okay? But if you are willing to work hard right, for a year or two, and to become free afterwards, right? You have time freedom and and financial freedom after 2 years. Then what would you do, right? Because that's really what it takes to become successful online, right? So you give yourself 1 to 2 years, learn whatever you can, apply whatever you can, and really give yourself the 1 to 2 years to grow your business, and you could finally be free of your work, of your day job, and financially free as well to take this much wanted vacation, or to pay all your bills, to become debt free, to pay off your mortgage in your house. I mean, if it only takes 2 years to be able to do that, then what's stopping you, right? How badly do you want this? That's the ultimate question. If you want it badly enough, then your actions are going to follow, because it's only people who take actions like that want it badly that are going to do whatever it takes to become successful online. They're going to do whatever it takes to make it happen, right? Even if that means changing around, their schedule, or sleeping late every night, right? I mean, it's going to happen. If you give yourself this 1 to 2 years with this online business, it's going to happen, right? So that's what Wealthy Affiliate is doing. They're giving you 1 year to learn the ropes of making money online. They're giving you the tools that you need, and they're also giving you all the support that you need for an entire year at a discounted price. So basically, this discounted price, you only have to pay it right now. Well, when it becomes available at the end of this month, you only pay it once, and you don't have to worry about paying it again until next year, right? So this gives you this 1 year to really apply yourself, learn whatever you can, become proficient, apply what you learn, and see results, right? And I guarantee you that if you do all this work, right, you take advantage of everything that Wealthy Affiliate has to offer you, that next year you're going to find yourself in a much better place. Okay, but let me get to the pricing. So all this is good, but what's it going to cost me? I know, we were coming to that. So it's going to cost $299, and it is already discounted from the $359 that it usually costs to go yearly with Wealthy Affiliate, okay? And that's a $60 savings from the yearly. But if you're like me, who is at the $49 per month right now, then it's a great opportunity to go to $299 per year. Because right now, well, I joined Wealthy Affiliate in December of 2017. I started off with a $49 per month, right? And I paid almost $588 right now after almost a year, right? $588 investment into this business. But I'm going to go ahead and upgrade, right, to the $299, so I don't have to worry about paying my monthly or yearly fee until next year, right? And so basically, that's a $289 savings if you go from monthly to yearly, within those dates. Those dates are between November 23rd and November 26th. So set it on your phone, set a reminder, put it on your calendar, or I'm also going to be including a link in the description below this video that you can click on, which will direct you to signing up for a reminder on that date, okay? So you can do it that way, or what you can also do is sign up for Wealthy Affiliate for free right now until the 23rd to try it out, right? So you'll have from today until the 23rd to try it out, to really make an informed decision of whether you really want to go ahead and upgrade to the yearly $299 option. Now, if you can't make that payment, then that's fine. Your first month is going to be at $19 per month, and then your second month is going to be $49 per month until next year again, right? So this is going to be monthly. You can cancel at any time, right? So if you find that this is not for you, you can cancel this at any time. Forget about Wealthy Affiliate, and that'll be it. But that's why if you really want to give yourself time and see success, that you should give yourself the 1 year, right? Pay the $299. It's okay. I know it's some big amount. It can be a big amount, but this is the best way to go, guys. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I really hope that you go yearly this time of year. Take care.